Hi everyone, welcome to Design Tech Unraveled. That's what we're going to talk about today. So if that's interesting, check out the rest of this video. So as you may have already noticed, the name of this channel has changed and the logo to Design Tech Unraveled. That's part of a bigger change. If you follow me on Twitter, you've probably already seen a lot of the details of the change. There is a full blog post linked below that describes this change and what it means for the future of this YouTube channel, the future of my blog, and all of that. Just to kind of summarize it really quick, we'll try to make this video a little bit quicker. I started 60 Second Revit back in 2013. It's a blog that I started because I wanted to share quick tips with our industry. And I always thought, who doesn't have 60 seconds to learn something really quick about Revit? So that's pretty much where that started. In 2017, I bought a domain name, 60secondrevit.com, and that's how you've seen it since then. At this point, I've had a few questions regarding a course that I released back in 2016. So in the process of looking at updating that course, I didn't think it made a whole lot of sense to name it 60 Second Revit Presents Dynamo for Revit Beginner or something. So that's where the name change comes in. So we'll cut to this real quick. This is what the website looks like now. Design Tech Unraveled. The focus is still the blog. You see the latest post. But what this has enabled is the ability to now have courses hosted on the blog. And this hosting is really nice as well. So I'm pretty pumped about that. My previous site's hosted on GitHub, free hosting, and it deploys through a service called Netlify. So that's the difference there. On this page, though, we have the blog. Like I said, that's going to be a focus still, an about page that talks about the page and talks a little about myself if you're interested. And we have the Learn Dynamo portion. Within our courses page, we have one course right now. This is based off of a course that I released back in 2016 on Pluralsight that was called Dynamo for Daily Use. That course still exists, but it's like on Dynamo 1.0, so it's a little bit dated. This is an update to that course. So you are able to go and visit that site and see the course. This course is in Dynamo 2.13 and Revit 2023. I think it's probably one of the first ones that has these dark nodes. So that's something to keep in mind. That being said, this course will work as long as you're in Dynamo 2.0 and up. There will be little differences like the groups, but for the most part, all the concepts are there. And we can actually see all the concepts in the course curriculum on the website as well. And the website is learn.designtechunraveled.com. I plan on releasing more courses. As you know, I build custom Dynamo packages, so I want to build a whole course that teaches you how to make custom packages. So if you're interested in any other course types, let me know below in the comments as well. This is a paid course. I tried to make it affordable to where it made sense as a lifetime membership. I don't have a 30-day subscription or anything like that. If you want that, let me know. A lot of people, courses that I've taken personally, do the 30-day thing because they say if you don't do it in 30 days, you probably won't. That always made me feel a little bit bummed out if something happened in life and I couldn't get the course done. So that's not something I went with at this time. It's a one-time purchase. But if you want to see other options, let me know. I'm pretty open to those things. This course is about 4 hours long. It's 3.5 hours, I think, and it represents the effort of recording, editing, and making all this content available. I'd like to thank my wife, Vanessa, for helping me edit all these courses and videos over a few weeks, often into late night hours and on the weekend. So Vanessa, thank you for helping me with this. I'm so thrilled that we got this done, and I'm very excited. I'm excited for this course to be available. I'm excited for this name change. It is a little sad to let go of the 60 Second Revit name that's been around since 2013. In the blog post, I have it fully documented, the whole history of how that all started. So definitely go read it. It's a longer post. It talks about the inspiration that I got to start a blog and just some of my journey as well. I didn't realize I'd been blogging for nearly 9 years now, so that's kind of wild to me. I didn't really think about that, and it was a cool trip down memory lane. I even show original screenshots of the blog as it first appeared. So yeah, check out that post if you want to know more. The big announcement though is the name of this YouTube channel's changed to Design Tech Unraveled. The blog is now Design Tech Unraveled. I have courses available, and I'm going to look at making more courses as well. That's a really exciting time, I think. Now that it's not 60-second Revit, we're a little broader. We can have things that expand upon that. I named it 60-second Revit because I'm a Revit user first, and I haven't covered exclusively Revit stuff in quite a while. So when I did tutorials like the how to record on wide monitors, it had a Revit spin to it, but it's more general than that. For now, 60secondrevit.com will stay as is. Eventually that will redirect to the blog. But for now, I'll leave it as is just because I don't know if I can quite convert it yet. It's, like I said, a little emotional. But yeah, this video I wanted to post before I posted the trailer for the course. That way you all know what's going on. That way you're not confused as to why this changed. I want to thank everyone who's followed this channel all along. I recently started posting more, and who all has followed the blog as well. I appreciate all the community that I've met through all of this. It's really awesome. And another thing that just makes me really happy is we are going to get back to the point of seeing people in person again. So I'm really excited for that. And yeah, just to wrap this up, I want to share a quote that I always share. It's linked in the blog post as well, but the world of the generous gets larger and larger. The world of the stingy gets smaller and smaller. That's something that I believe wholeheartedly, and the whole reason that the blog exists and the channel. That is from Proverbs, so it is linked on the blog if you want to check it out more. But yeah, I look forward to continuing this journey on this channel, on the blog, and I hope you all get some value from the courses and the content that I'm creating. I thank you all for checking this video out, and next week we'll be back to a video that's more of a tutorial for Revit or Dynamo or something. So yeah, thanks for checking this out, and let me know what you think below.